Hello, I'm Zinnia with Baja123.com. We are at the penthouse at Palacio del Mar. Please join me as I show you this stunning view. The penthouse features 3 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. It has standard 10-foot ceilings, electric shades, wall-to-wall glass pocket doors from floor to ceiling that open into a double balcony that offer indoor and outdoor living space. The gourmet kitchen showcases stainless steel luxury appliances, including a double oven, a granite countertop, an oceanfront dining room, and living area. The oversized master suite has direct access to the oceanfront terrace, where the ocean views of the bay are incomparable. The master bath has double sinks, a very spacious shower with double rain head shower head, a sitting area, and travertine walls. Both of the guest bedrooms are also oversized and include closet built-ins, featuring large windows that provide plenty of natural light with beautiful views of the mountains and the green landscape. The unit also includes a laundry room and a storage area, not to mention the wide hallways and travertine floors throughout. You will be very impressed with the amenities. Among them, you have an indoor cover heated swimming pool, a spa, an oceanfront gym, tennis court, and a private bar and pool tables, a 30-seat theater, 24-hour security. One of the things that also makes Palacio del Mar different amongst other developments, it's its water treatment plant, water softening system, and a backup generator for electricity. And these are just some of the many reasons why Palacio del Mar defines luxury real estate in our coast. Please contact me or the Baja 123 team for a viewing. Have a great day and thank you for your time.